Good evening, all of you. And we are on the fourth session of the Open Mentor Upskill India Jan 2023 Analytical Reasoning session. Last few sessions, we discussed about the pattern matching, the verbal pattern matching, which is nothing but numerical and alphabets using alphabets. And then we saw the image pattern matching yesterday, and today we will see some complex image processing and solutioning using the image. The problems will be given in terms of pictorial representation, and we will see how to solve the problems, identifying the pattern that in which it is formed, and the way we have to solve the problem. This is also called as visual reasoning, graphical representation of the problem, and we will be finding a solution for the same. To start with, a complex, whatever we saw in the last few classes, 3 classes, we will match this pattern. We will try to identify the pattern. We will try to figure out how it is formed, and then we will also find out the solution for what is asked here. And the different pattern will be followed today. I will also, because this is a complex matrix, complex problem, we will try to find out. I will also give you some hints for identifying the problem. Are you all okay for this? Can we do that now? Yeah. I want to see many thumbs ups. All of you. All of you, thumbs up. We are going to see a different pattern today because the picture is very complex to identify, and one more thing is it is very difficult to identify the pattern when the complex pictorial representation is given. Where are we using all this? If you may think these pictorial representation, how are we going to use it in our career in IT industry? See, all of you have a mobile phone and you will be using a PIN or password to open your mobile. You will always keep it locked. If you want to unlock, you are using a face. Phones, some mobile phones has a face recognition software. So to open unlock your mobile, you are using the picture, the face of your own face to unlock your mobile, and you are also using the fingerprints to unlock your mobile. These are image patterns in which you have stored one picture before you put in your pin. You are storing your own image, your face or the fingerprint in your mobile. When you want to unlock, it will actually match your fingerprint with the one you have already stored and match it and say yes, this is right. If somebody else puts their fingerprint, it will not open because the pattern in which it has stored is different from what you have already kept as your password. That is why if somebody else uses, it is not getting unlocked. When you use your own fingerprint or your face recognition, it gets opened. This is called as OCR, optical character reading. So even in the image processing world, people use this image patterns to match what you want to achieve. That's the reason why we have this pictorial representation, visual representation pattern matching in our session today. So we will go back to, all of you can listen, hear me, right? Any audible problem? Any of you could not hear me? Can you give a thumbs up, please? All of you, if all of you can hear me, please raise your thumbs up. Yes, very good. I see many hands coming up. Good, very good. Excellent. Very good. Yeah. We will now go back to the problem we are going to discuss today. This is a pattern. The first column, the first one, is a pattern in which some object is formed. For example, you have a triangle here, you have a rectangle here, you have a circle here, and you have some dotted lines, again a dotted line, and a line, plain line. And they have formed using these two, they have used these two patterns to form this. We have to identify what will come here. Okay, understood? Can we go ahead? Again, thumbs up, please. Yes. Now you are going to tell me, of all the 6 options available here, which one will come here? Of the 6 images here, which one will come here? I am going to give you some hint. The first hint is the left column remains unchanged. In the third column of each row, what does it mean? The left column, this is triangle, rectangle and circle, will not change in the third column. So same triangle, same rectangle, and now we know that it is a circle here, because the hint one says the left column and the right column, the pattern is the same. Now we know that we have to only choose circle here. So we are eliminating this, we are eliminating this, and we are eliminating this. We have to now consider B, E and F only, because the right side it is only circle. Now I have to find out whether I have to do this way or this way or which way. Let me just see the hint 2. The left column remains unchanged in the third column. So left column is unchanged in the third column also. Now we have to think. What is the pattern formed here? Say I know this will be again circle. Now I am trying to find out how this and this are used here. This is a horizontal one which is turned to vertical one. I am trying to link the relationship between the two. And this is a vertical one which is turned to horizontal, meaning if it is horizontal, it will be vertical on the third column. If it is vertical, it will be horizontal on the third column. Now I have to now think, this is horizontal, so it should be vertical here. Which of the 3 B, E and F has the pattern a circle with a horizontal inside? Correct? Am I right? Circle with a horizontal. Am I right? The circle with a horizontal. Correct? Yes? How many of you say yes? If it is yes, thumbs up. If it is no, thumbs down. In this, you have a circle. If it is horizontal, it will be vertical here. If it is vertical, it will be horizontal here. This is a horizontal, so I should have a vertical line here. Am I not supposed to have a vertical line? So circle with a vertical line should come here. Then the answer is E. So how many of you understood this? Can I see your thumbs up, please? Very good. Very good. Excellent. Some of you have given me thumbs down when I said a wrong number, wrong answer. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Very good response. Good going. Now Now we will go to the second problem. Another matrix. I will give you one hint for this. Okay. There is a circle here. There is a There is another pattern here, and one of the three I am trying to link. One of the three is a combination of the other two. This particular one is a combination of these two. I am trying to find out, is there a relationship in vertically? This is a circle, this is a hexagon, this is another hexagon, and this is, so the only pattern which I could see from these two is there are two main shapes in each of the row. There is one circle and this one. Here there is one triangle and a hexagon which are combined here. So there are two shapes, and the third one of the column is a combination of the two shapes. Here we have a hexagon, and this is a combination of the hexagon is inside this and there is one outside. Now can you tell me which is the answer? I want you to tell me what is this answer. Very good, excellent. C is the right answer. Very good. Now we have another one. I'm going to give you hint one. Now you have to closely watch. What will come here? I'll give you 1 minute for you to think now. You are going to tell me which is the right answer, and you will also give me a reason for that. I will read your chat. Such mapping is happening in the real-time world when you use face recognition or image. In the banks, you could have seen that when you sign a check and send, they will always check your signature if it is matching with the original signature. Okay, the time is up. The time is up. So now we will see what is your answer. Yes, yes. Excellent. Somebody has said green color is missing and car also. Excellent. Yeah. So let me see. The answer is yes. For those who didn't get the answer correct, see, there are three types of vehicles. One Jeep, we will call this a Jeep. This is a car, and this is a van. So in all the three, you have a car, a Jeep, and the van. Now in this case, you have a van as well as Jeep, so the car is missing. And I want to find out the car. There are three colors of car. Which one will come here? If you see this is green, blue, and violet. Violet, blue, and green. Now blue and violet are there, so green only will come, and so F is the right answer. Hmm. Again, I will give you the timer now. So I'm also giving you two hints. There are three basic shapes: circle, square, and triangles. Each basic shape is either a straight line, dashed line, or solid. And which one will come here? I am giving you 1 minute, 18 seconds, 17 seconds left, seconds left. Time is up. Now let me see what you have answered. I want to know what is the answer. B. Somebody has said A. Good. B. Very good. Excellent. So all those who identified the right answer, can you just give a thumbs up? We will wait and see which is the right answer now. Excellent. Beautiful. Wonderful. Wonderful. I want more thumbs up. More thumbs up I want. Superb. Yes. Very good. Superb. Excellent. Very good. So now we will go back to this and find out which is the right answer. We all know that there are three basic shapes in each of the rows: circle, square, and triangles. A circle is there, square is there, and a triangle is there. Triangle, circle, and a square. Square, triangle, then this should be a circle only here. So I have circle 1, 2, 3. Which one will come? Is it a dotted one or a filled one or this ring alone? I want to know. And I am trying to find out which one will suit. See, though there are all the three shapes, one of them is filled one. And there is one filled one here. One filled one ring, and one dotted. Now I have a ring, a dotted. Now it should be a filled one. So the answer is B. Excellent. Many of you found out that this is B. Now, let us see. I'm going to give you another 1 minute to find out the answer first. I'm not going to give you any hint now. Five seconds more. Yes. Now. No. Yes. You have to give me the answer. I want to see the answer here. Thumbs up if you know, thumbs down if you don't know. You want to see the answer now. Now you have said you know that. You know the answer, right? Now I want you to tell me the reason. Can you give me the reason for your answer, please? Why are you saying something is right? There should be a common theme first. You have to find out which is the common theme. Which is the common theme? What is the common theme? The common theme across is the outer part is the same. The outer ring, outer shape is the same. Here it is a circle. Here it is a triangle. Here this also should be a square. So we know the theme is the outer one, outer shape is the same across. So now based on the hint one, we have identified that there will be a square here. So I have a square here. And one more thing is, should I fill it with some shape inside? No, because only one of them is filled with a shape within that, inside that. So, which is common in all. So, one of the shapes, the outer shape, is filled with another shape here, which is already there here. So, now I don't need to worry about what will come inside the box, whatever we are going to select. So, what we have to select now is the outer ring which is common across, and the answer is C. Now, this is the next one. Again, I am starting the for 1 minute. Just think of this. 30 seconds more. I think you're all thinking. You're all thinking now. Which one will come in the last? I know you're all thinking. More seconds to go. Yes, time is up. Time is up. Now let us see who is answering. Could somebody guess what is the next shape? Could somebody guess? Did you guess? Yes? Thumbs up. Again. This time we will see victory. Okay, you all will show victory. That you all will show victory now. Yes, exactly. Very good. Yes. Those who know, who could identify, will show victory here now. Very good. I see more hands coming up. Superb. Now, let us go back to the shape. The chat box is not refreshing. I'm not able to get. Okay, let us go back here. Now, all of them are circles. Hint one is all of them are circles, and there are different degrees of rotation. This is here, and this is turned this side, and this is turned this side. And here you have again, it is turned this side, it is turning this side and this turning this side. Turning on the clockwise direction. Now we have to see what will come here. Can you guess? Can you tell me which one is right? Has somebody answered this? Can you answer? I'm seeing many people are answering. Yes, people are answering. Very good. Excellent. Once you finish, give a thumbs up, please. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Super. Yeah. We will go back here and see what is the answer. I'm saying it is C because I don't see blue here, so I'm bringing blue. I have one blue, one yellow, and one green. Now I have one yellow, one green is there. I want blue, so I'm saying this is C. All of you agree? If you agree, say give a thumbs up. If you don't agree, give a thumbs down. Wow, I'm getting so many thumbs down. Excellent, excellent. Very good, very good, excellent. So the answer is wrong, is it? Very good. So many of you are saying I'm wrong, correct? So the correct answer is A. Am I right now? Am I right now? Super. Very good, very good. So you're all picking up. This image processing is very important because nowadays, see, when the industry when the industry was growing, it was all they were all concentrating on collating all the data. Initially, the HR is the first domain which got computerized first. Every organization had their employees in the database, employee names, their details, their educational details, date of birth, etc., etc. Personal details of every employee was getting stored in the database initially. Then their performances every year, what did they do, which project, all the projects related information started getting into the database. They all started computerizing, capturing the data related to the projects. Then the banks. So banks all started computerizing their day-to-day activities, day-to-day functionalities. And the entire banking system was computerized today. The ATM came, we used to stand in the queue to get some money. Even in the emergency cases, it is most difficult to get money for them because they will be waiting for the next day to the bank to open and then get the money and then pay for the expenses. Then the ATMs came. ATMs were so helpful. 24 by 7 it works. The money is there for you. If one ATM doesn't have money, you can always go to the next ATM to pick the money. So this is how they started computerizing all the functionalities. Then slowly automobile industry, then retailing, then hospitals. They all wanted the patient data, the patient information, the lab results. What happened 5 years back? What happened during the COVID period? Everything started getting into the database, computerized system, the digital system. We all had Google. Today, you type on Google whatever you want, you get hundreds of information related to whatever you are searching for. This is how it started getting computerized. The entire global functionalities were computerized today, or right to information. So you can ask for any information, you get the information on the site. This is how it started getting. The data was growing. The data was growing abundantly in a fastest pace that is possible. Slowly, what happened? How will I secure my data. The data or everything got into this system. Now every data is available for everybody. I want to secure my data. They started bringing in the fingerprints, two-factor authentication. What is a two-factor authentication? There was two-factor authentication is you will use two passwords, two types of passwords to get into the system. One is the password, user ID and the password. The other one is a fingerprint, or sometimes you will have passcode tokens, or some, it's all called as tokens. You will have a machine like system with you. That machine, whatever number it is showing, you have to enter into the application. So there are so many types of logins available now. One of two of the logins you have to use to get into the system. This is how the growth was happening in the IT industry. Today everything is on the digital recognition, the face recognition. Who has come first? The thumb impression. Even the Aadhaar needs your thumb impression. So that's how it started getting into the details of, or it was growing like this. The digital information also had the image processing within that. Many a times the criminals, the face recognition software helps to identify the criminals also. So that's how the image processing, image word is so important. Recognizing the image, the solutioning using the image is very important. Now let us move on to the next picture. I'm again giving you 1 minute to think the pattern, the common pattern. I'm also giving you the hint for identifying the correct answer. Ten more seconds. I know you would have got the answer correct. If you actually check this, it's very easy. It is easily identifiable from the horizontal as well as the matching with the vertical ones. You have one part of one quadrant, half of the quadrant filled here, the second quadrant and the third quadrant. If you see here, it's two quadrants are filled, and the third one and then the fourth one. Now if you see, this is 3 and then 4, and then you have to bring fifth one. Correct? So the answer is A. Even if you see this way, 1 and then 2 and then 3, you leave 1 and then the next 3. It's the same way it is formed here also. Complete this matrix. I'm giving you 1 more minute for this to think. It's very easy. I know you all would have identified very easy. You don't need 1 minute for this. Got it? All of you? Excellent. Very good. Very good. Most of you have found out. Good. Excellent. Let me go back. The answer is C. On the chat, I will give you one link. Okay. This image, there are some items that is hiding in each of the poles. I want you to find out what is hiding within each of the pictures, and I want you to answer this. I'll give you one Google form. You will enter your name and then the poll, whatever you find out what is hiding in each of the one, and you will answer it in the poll link which I am going to give you. Okay. I will show you the picture. In the meantime, I will send the link for you. I will now show you the picture. What you need to do is you will log in. Trust the link is visible, right? You got the link. Did you all get the link? Can you raise your thumbs up, please? Did you get the link? Very good. You have got the link, and what you will do is you will click on the link and mention what are hiding in each of the pictures here. Okay. Identifying the images in each this will bring focus. This will improve your focus because you are going to find something. You are going to you are going in detail of every pixel which is in the on the screen. You are going to check every pixel of this picture. So you are going in detail. Your focus will improve on this. Let me see how many of you are able to answer this completely. I'll give you 2 more minutes. Finished? Have you all done it? Thumbs up, please, if you have done it. Okay, I'll show you again. I'll give you 1 more minute. Trust you all have completed, right? Okay, fine. Very good. No? So the next teach.